guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
This video is an intro. That's why I said today is on the 6th of April 2024. This beautiful evening. Guys, is 5 minutes after 11 I start this program. I'm using English so that this useless prostitute upstairs here will put eyeglass for eye like Obama, make people understand the language where they speak. Paraventure, I also speak to Yoruba. So now I want to use pidgin English generally for everybody to hear, both she and the stupid so-called boyfriend, baby papa, may in the hear what they talk. Because if I deliberate on Yoruba, it may be only the Yoruba language. Like she will go understand Yoruba. You understand? So make she know. I want to talk to her today. Make she for know the kind of person we want to talk to her. So make she know where she belong to. For this same Benin man when she thinks she married. Now your so-called baby father, papa now bring come out, and in mama now bring come out. So make you for know. You understand? So guys, I want to beg all of you. I'm not gonna share this video. Not be for violence. You understand? I want to talk small sense and I do my head first. And I will play the woman video for them. You understand? Because you know why? I never ready for her. If you don't know, madam, make you know. If I want to beat you, your mama, your papa, that your grandma, now want to beat you. And I go break the comments. Now time go take. You feel me so? I'm going to tell you so. Don't play. You go learn. You go learn. You go learn. You go know the day when you come up for that video. Now me talk. You go learn. You never say anything. You are that useless boy. That charlatan, that good for nothing boy. Where you born for. Where you never ask. The history of that idiot. When they usually find documents for France. You know, so you go learn. You go learn in a hard way. And you go learn in a good way. Now let's go there. I go play your video first before I go call the deliberator your issue. So that people will listen to you. You know, feel me so? Now where I sit down, so you see this, now my office I did so. You, they give you house for France. Where you forgive that boy once one place for there. Wait for the do life with right. You see me, I rented an apartment, 2-bedroom apartment I rent. I use one room do office where I wanted a broadcast for you make it a year now. So I'm not there on that woman. Woman, not they give woman, maybe they give me. If you don't know, make you know. So make first of all classify the category between me and your house, your so-called baby father first. Where you don't get 3 baby man for abroad. Still, you never pay bride price. And if they call yourself my husband, your husband, you go school the more, go learn what the meaning of your husband. Before you gather courage, they call man husband. You have to go and learn what is husband. Madam, we wear high glass. We be like one of the see Babiala. You understand? Koriona. I did it, know the year word. You don't deft. I go to put small Yoruba, make you the year. Maybe you know the kind of person where you be. Now, you know, so you not push over. They just push you, come and make them for show you say, I get wife. You understand? Now let's go there. When I just go down, I'm going to shoot. They play the video small. Make una relation to Don Ewi and Co.
If I tell you the way I'm angry because of this hobby they just said now.
They have been saying it to you. They
want to see your wife. It makes you guy an irresponsible. I'm going to send a gift to your son. Because I'm a that means that person is a fool. Insult anybody or what. I just want to explain my mind. I told that guy, I said, I'm going to send
So he gets so I mean Dominion
No,
song.
it's okay. Don't worry about that. I'm not here to insult anybody or what. I just want to explain my mind. I told that I said I'm going to send a gift to your son because I'm a mother. So if I want to send a gift to IK son or Dominion son, sure it doesn't take me anything. So at the end of the day, to my own surprise now, IK and Dominion said it was my husband that sent a gift to them for them to be slandering Monica. That's disgusting. I'm not really happy about it. If you guys are having issue with my husband, you guys should sort it out. Because I wasn't there when you guys started. So don't bring me to it. Don't bring me to it. That one number one. And secondly, was it IK or Dominion? You said you knew someone that know me. If anybody call on your platform and said, yeah, him or her know Don Peace's wife, she's this, she's that, you have to tell that person that this thing you are telling me, can you say in front of her? Anybody that cannot come on air or call on your program live that says his or her know me, that means that person is a fool. You don't have to be beating around the bush. You guys have been saying rubbish all this while. I don't want to talk to you guys because I'm that kind of person that I respect people, but when you are beating around the bush, I will call. If you call on me, I will answer you. That's it. Forget my look. I'm not a stupid person. I know you guys are hypocrites.
Everyone.
I never expect all this from.
You are the most stupid person, madam. You marrying this lazy youth or having child for this lazy youth without no bride price. You see how stupid you are? You see how cheap you are as a prostitute? You have a first child, no bride price. You're so cheap. You have a second child, a second man in your life, no bride price. How cheap you are. You have been fooled for twice. Now you are fooled for thrice. Your father not fit drink water for your head. Your father not fit drink gin for your head. You dey come and they call man your husband. You are a fool, madam. The most stupid fool that have brought herself out of media, now you be. You know, she'll tell you. And they say you be dumb every wife. And you see that they insult you. You sit down for inside your room, that your dirty room there. When Don Ewi they insult other women. When Don Ewi they carry money, can come and they beat them. For no reason. For no reason. Now, if you saga carry your Mumu baby papa, carry her in page. Now he page you, but he leave Infinity Saga, he face Monica. Because if he say anyone use Monica build page, you sit down there, now God will punish your head. When your useless gossip forsaking husband carry my own wife, mama picture come out. And even as you they talk, as you stupid rich, as you they talk as a stupid woman, you're my own wife and children. My wife and my children picture. Your wife, your stupid so-called husband post on your page. My own wife and children always there in page. And you go sit down there with your Bambia eyeglass. With your bomb eyeglass, make God punch your back, punch your mouth. Make God design your mouth for your head. You sit down in the look, you don't talk. Now God will punish your back. You don't go die where. Then you come and they come to talk, say, if you come for me, my sister, I don't come out for you now. Do me you carry chair. If you don't carry chair, I'm going to kill you. All your children will die for your eye. All your children will rot for your eye. Let me tell you. All the children when you born, they go rot for your eye. Now God will punish all your children for your eye. Now you go use your hand and bury all your children. Let me tell you for this night. If you not carry checks down, I'll do live video for tomorrow. Today will be 6. Tomorrow will be 7. Madam, if you not carry check come out, come take sit down, do live video. All your children and you go use your hand bury them. You go to carry the head of your children. Don't praise go to carry the leg of your children. You're not going to carry the go cemetery. You never see anything. You are welcome to Edo Sabbath space. This is not Yoruba Sabbath space. See about me. See about you also. You dey hear with me and they talk clearly for your ear. Now God will punish all your children for your eye. All your children, now you go use your hand bury them for cemetery for that France. I did listen to your video. gradually. Make the world dey hear you as you dey talk. You dey feel so? Don't please they insult my wife. They insult his mama. They insult his papa. Even the baby father of my former husband. If they insult, I bring all the picture come out for this video. You see some people call plan? No. Because we know see you also call person will not sleep with your own father wife. Your husband, especially when you call your husband, don't sleep with this your father wife. You never ask your husband why we say the house where they bury your father put, which is the family house. None of the children can inherit that house. Any of the children when they will that house give, you must die. Not the past that year. Ask your husband why. Why did not feel return that course laid by the father? Why your husband sleep with his father wife for a side boat? You don't ask your husband that question. I don't mind drink.
You guys, I've been watching you guys on video, but if let us assume that somebody said Dominion IK, they are not good people. I won't believe. But the way you people happen now, that show me that you guys are not really responsible. I must say the fact. You guys are not responsible. This is not how to do things. If you guys are having.
So, Dominion and IK, Don Prince's wife, Dominion and IK are not responsible. Jesus Christ. So, you and Don Prince are responsible. Oh yeah, Atawa. Oh yeah, Batawa for seven. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. They clap for yourself as you and Idemudia. You and Idemudia now become responsible. How? Wow, that's a nice one. A nice responsible couples. That's a very nice one. Now God will punish your papa. Now God now thunder will wire your papa. Thunder will wire your mom. You be mega. Don't please. This unkept human being, now God go sama you. Oh, I love this video. That video we follow I do like that. It was a massive one. The video touched you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I never knew the saga would touch you. Auntie, Emma Binu, ma. Any suru, Emma Binu. Iyare waka for you. Now God go punish you. Oma le. O da be seribu. Now God go punish you. Ma punish your pa. Sister responsible. Bride price they not pay for your head. Bride price they not pay for your head. You do open your gutter. They call my husband. What's make your husband? He love you now. You they born before you born the picky. Why you not go pay your bride price? Why you not go see your family out there? Ewure, omato nogba, omato ni pedigree, omale. You idiot.
Issue with my husband. You guys should go and sort it out. Why did
sort it out? Kill you there. Let me off this speaker. They don't die.
someone could tell me that if you guys do call my husband as you lie, you guys do talk as a brother as friend. Let me put it that way. If someone could tell me
Mona God, don't please make come here.
You sure I'm not surprised. That show me the kind of person you are. Is that how you guys do saga? If you want to do saga, you saga somebody with truth.
Orimio. You say what thing? Kill us up. You say what thing? If you want to do saga somebody with truth. Kò ní dá fún ẹ. It no go ever better for you, madam. It can never be well with you. If your husband, the saga person with truth, you see what you talk so, all the saga when they saga you go to them when they saga you. If your husband, the saga people will lie, now your first speaking you go to pay. Your second pikin will be second. You go use to pay. The third pikin, you lose money. All your children will die for your eye. Now when the saga one starts, you never see saga. You know they cry. You never see anything, madam. This your eyeglass will be like Obama also. This your Bambia like eyeglass. When they beg for Jota, it go scatter for your eye. For this I going this one. You never see anything. Your husband with the saga will lie. Your husband will say, Papa Kevin, pay bride price for my Mama Kevin head, my wife head. You forget? Oh, you forget. Where Papa Kevin for pay bride price for my own wife head? Your husband never explain. He never talk. You understand? Your husband say, now me deport Papa Kevin go Nigeria. Me and my wife deport in Papa Kevin go Nigeria. Your husband talk and you sit down with that part. Now God will punish you. You dey sleep, you never start anything. This your saga, you go too sweet. You know where I look you? I say make I first see your papa and your mama first. I now me talk and say, oh no, your papa and your mama. Make they send me the picture. Make they forward the picture for me and see what you go fit do. Now me, I don't be your husband. Now me, I go to beat you. I go to beat you. Your husband has not picky for me to beat now. You know, sister, somebody talk. I don't understand. It too small. Your husband are remnants. I want to talk to your husband. Now you now call reply. If your husband cost nothing to move, and they look at my junior brother, it too small. Your husband, your children, your son, you marry for us. Your son, you call your husband. Now I don't feel the plan. And you now call reply, and God will punish you. All your children will die for your eye. Now let me tell you so. Just the watch.
I'm a good person, I'm not a bad person. But when you step on my toe, I will show the kind of person I am. That is it.
If you don't feel show the kind of person you are an idiot. Now thunder go wire you. Now go back go buy your children for your hair. Or go back go finish all your children. You go use your hand to put your children for grief. Now so it will be for you, madam. The play of video.
I'm not afraid of anybody. I respect people. People that knows me will tell the kind of person I am. That's something that close to me.
Mona, share this video.
I'm a very strict person.
Mona, share this video. Mona, help me share this video. Share it and see the host. Mona tag them. Please join this video. Mona tag them. Please join now. Mona tag me and make sure. Mona goes call me. Mona drag me. Ask me come here because she don't say, Baba with the smile. They reply now. Mona go drag them. Please come with us. Let her know say I don't reply your wife now. Yes now. It gets some people where they make, where they feel they talk too much. It gets some people just do it, I don't look at I don't pitch down, I don't live on, because you're not rich. I don't can say not rich. I just go Facebook and see a video. Now see I listen. I just see ask me I don't listen. I see the way I talk. I can come in. No matter 30 minutes, 30 minutes where I can come in. I can come in your stand, no matter 30 minutes or 1 hour. Where I can come and say, brother, don't please do video. You understand? 1 hour, 2 hours ago, they talk and even your wife fall out because they talk. I say, and then Bunda please, then they talk. And you're Bunda. And the school Facebook, they go, I'll jump the video. I say, you know the video with the way I can be asked, sharper than go watch her. I said, I'm going to punish you, madam. Now God will punish you. Your husband, your so-called husband, he tell you say you get one boy called Destiny for Nigeria, we born in first charge. Did he tell you? I believe he will tell you. Do not share this video. Make Don Prince wife watch this video. I know say Don Prince no go watch my video give you wife because you know say I must expose him. Don't play. Because he never accepted Destiny. Destiny is the first child of Don Prince, which he impregnated the mother before she migrated to Europe. Up to this, Don Prince just show love to that child. Don Prince don't give that girl 1 naira. Yes. Is the first woman who Don Prince got pregnant before Don Prince came to Europe. The name of that child is called Destiny. Don Prince no. Don police no. My sister, if he never tell you, make you know. The first charge with the police get na destiny they call. The second one, the one we carry come from Italy. Anabe, Oleboroko, junkie Anabe, born from. You don't have many single mother that born from France, as we speak right now, including you as a single mother, who is used to look for document of where to put his head in France. Don't play. You know the story. You know that this guy doesn't truly love you. It's just the because of document of where to rest his head. Because all the baby mamas he has got pregnant, he has given birth to. Now you be the best. Now you better pass the rest of that baby mama. We don't go for her. They ask you. If you not get this out there. Konogma na Willie. Omale. I'm not only pedigree. Now you can find past. Now you can better pass all the rest of that baby mama. Even including your Benin women. In your Benin fellow sister, he don't marry, I don't marry, he's not a single mother. Now you will be Yoruba strocation. Now I come marry, a caroma, a kubadu, rorao, a poor woman. All of one back edge. God must wear your own. Now me they tell you so. Now you come with the best. All the rest Benin women, where he talk to single mother. No one will marry for his side. Now you want to marry. Like you say, if you know the year Yoruba, me I speak with you for you. Lato say, ide wo, onebe, ofure, inewo, oriwo wa agbo, bangole bingole liwe. See your mouth like toto with the way they bleed. See your lips like bekus with the period. Soon with the world. Go see my wife. You know the makeup. You know the use organic cream. You know the bleach. And natural. You know get stress. To go the buy cream, the grab cream. Then when you first see me for cream buying, baby oil ya wo. Or you baby oil will be ya fi no. Or you me no. Baby ya me no. Listen to yourself.
If you call on me, I will answer you home and abroad. That is it.
I don't call on you.
You don't the saga dominion now. I don't the verse. You know
So I'm begging my husband on this one. I said you should leave you guys alone. Even I thought that your husband is saggering him. You should let everything go. Do you know the way I'm talking to you after the live video?
Madam, I'm going to kill all your children for your eye. You never see something in the stammer. Oh, go sama your children. All your children here soon. Now your hand you go to the belly of picking one after the other. Let me talk. Now I ready for you now. Your hand now you go to the. At the time you say, see, you love what you get. Your mama na edible worm. Now you go eat your macrotoris. Edible worm. Do you know what edible worm? Now you go chop your macrotoris. Your ma akpiko. Edible worm was my man for your mouth. Edible one that will chop your mouth because if you are soon, now you go to use your hand, you carry your picking head, your doctor will carry the leg and go to much one. But Allah will be what soon with the one. Who can also soon? This way you put a glass for Allah, bon so, Bambiala. Could it die for it? Could it die for a low? Could it die for an awesome? Who have ever proposed to love me? You, Ashawo of Lagos. Or Bomiliki of Lagos. After you don't do what time for Lagos, they throw you conference. Then you can do over Lagos money. As you will, you see your life. Emma for what can be you, Ijoli mobile Joe, mommy. Emma for what can be you, Ijoli mobile Joe, daddy. Emma, Shina Peter, he went for Juju. For Juju, the difference is clear. Oh, Could it down for you? Vaborian Lawby. Go away. Let's go on, that one is only frustrated. That one is only frustrated. You are Don Priest, who's in your shoulder. Don Priest is not up to 32 years. You lock up for cycle because you see they grow beard. If you want no Benin boy secret, let me post it for you. If you want no Benin boy secret, any Benin boy when they grow BS, no, so they be children. Yes. Real men for Benin, they shave BS. They carve their BS like because the BS they make they old. Real old men for Benin, they shave BS. They carry this kind of the baba hair go down, make they look young. Or the eyes of young women. Old men, they're going to shave BS, make they look young. In the eyes of the old women or young women, make they for look young for them. Small boys for Benin, then they gather BS, make they look old in the eyes of the old women. You think so? Like your Mumu husband now, he's a small boy. If you reason his mentality, the way he speak out of mouth, you gonna say this one is not picky. If you look away, the way he talk, you gonna say this one is not picky. If you look the other guy, wait there for Sweden, the way they talk, you gonna say these are children. Now, let me tell you, real men on this media. Check me when they talk. You gonna say this one a man. Go look at it. You gonna say this one na man. Go look the latest update with it for France. That guy. You gonna say this guy na man. So go look Ugo. You gonna say this guy is not old, not a small boy. You gonna say na man be this one. Just like say he gets slim body. You gonna say this guy na man he be. Listen, go look Andrew or more former, that old cargo, that old fool we did for Highland. You gonna say that one a man, no be boy. You feel so? I know they tell you presenters when they say, just look their life, the way they dress, the way they reason, their mentality, the way they talk for mass. You gonna know these are men. This one not be boys. Like this your boy. In you and also the fuck. They use in beers to deceive women. We like people like now carry head knock stone. They use now in beers to deceive now. People like your because postman for side give you belly. Oh yeah, you don't born. Exactly. Unto say you go not see those one. Now man, if you see the way they dress, you don't see this one. All this one not still old. If you see Ajebo, go look Ajebo Arameya Wefe. You go not say this one, not be boy, this one a man. They don't get time to the gather BS full year, full every year, cover face. Because men, we gonna be messed with the life they enjoy our wife. In all ramification of life. Everything what you get for your head, you just have to play with your wife. Yes, now. You use to play with your wife. Not be always say you go carry BS, your BS will go to disturb. You will put hand for your woman chest, the head will shook your woman body. You could irritate them. So women like them when they like the touch for your BS, they draw your BS. But not all women. All those will be like lion. All those will be like cow. All those will be like osa, babu. They get hair for body. They like me when they get BS where. And it's like the truth. Real women that are very sensitive. They are very sensitive. They love plain men. They are very plain, very simple outfit men. Men when they look, they love them. See, you see that your boy wait for something they call you never pay your bride. Or if I look at possibly can slap you now. Or where? Weary. Want to knock back? People never see who born you. They never even see your parents. They call my husband. The way you are not my husband, Mugru. Akba Bobo or Zonumako, a mamon or Yokowa, or gun kill your children for your eye. And they call for you. Oh, Dominion Talk Show, I see you. God bless you. I see you. What? I just make a cure this. I just want to talk yesterday. But it's 30 minutes. I want me. I just want to talk. I just jump the video. The useless thing what this idiot go do. That's me. I can't kill us. No one kill this. Your wife. Come out. You need to come out on top. If not, who will kill your generation? Who will kill your children? Now me talking. You never said it to you. If you know what your husband adopt pull leg, what your husband pull hand. You know, if you know the person your husband don't deal with, the old to know when no one yourself, You don't go try yourself. Don't play.
I know what I be shipping since.
This not be my woman with the support you sis. I don't
Begging me, I be begging
You
me.
want to start soon, eh? I say you don't get sense. Dominion, you are the most useless woman on social media space.
I can have talked to me I can have talked to me. Yeah, I can have talked. Even the day I went to post a parcel to Ike, on that very day, when I came back from La Poste, I said I had to send the video of the parcel. I said I've sent this thing to Ike.
He's not coming out to tell the people, everybody that what you sent to them, and the one who bought it to them. For them to be sagging to come out.
Mona called the priest. Me, I want to see the priest for you. Mona share and the priest.
I don't know why they are lying.
Maybe watch.
Just to get favor from Monica.
That boy like, dude.
You people are lying just to get favor from Monica. Monica is a stupid woman. Ozua.
When I give Ike a son, when I send a gift to Ike's son, God is my witness. You guys are.
If you are as a woman are not stupid right now, he didn't post any Monica picture here, but now Monica in the sort now. See, Monica, and you there here they come, you explain, you go explain, you go tire. Monica never come for you, madam. Don't believe say you don't, you free. When Monica will get your time, oh God, and Monica will go work, madam. When no white glasses, you know, when Monica will get your time, you go collect. And let me tell you, he go ring bell for your head, he go buy wig, put on the table, he go buy cake, he go flog you. My head boo now. When your fellow woman want beat you, now you go nowhere. Then they go welcome you to media. Say, my sister, you are welcome to social media, Saga Media, or Susu Maye. You are welcome to Susu Maye. We made this Susu Maye. Am I with it? I want to make sure I carry your buy your mark off first. I'll come to introduce your remembrance, your father and your mother remembrance, and go do them for this media. Wow, soon. You see me say, look at the command, I never carry a command. Now let cause and they cause them. You sit down there, you say they talk to your husband. You then life with your husband. Your husband put my own children picture for live video. You know that's not. You say they talk to your husband. You then live. Your husband put my own children picture for your live video. You understand? You see me say I strike her. I don't strike her. I feel bring that page down. All this is video. I feel bring that down. I no need to go back. See my laptop. Don't know. I get laptop here. I get laptop with my phone. I feel do one. With this my phone. I feel bring this your husband page down. But you know where I live, huh? The first page we use how many years? 5, but we not chop 1 naira. They call it time. I see this one. That's a baby I live, huh? No be everything they answer person. I go now. But now you go suffer. I don't do all those kinds of shit. No. Now you. Now go suffer. You and your children. Now go suffer like my hand. I give her time. May grace. May do stupid things. May do anyhow, may do all the kind of Mumu saga. May do her so that I'll get more complete evidence to work for her. If place at the bitter, anybody will drop any stupid comment when I beat the priest, I go beat that person. Anybody will come and say, Frank, you don't do, not the cost children, or go kill that person. Anybody will go carry phone, come and say, Frank, no cause person picking, or go kill that person children for you. That person will use your hand very picking. I'm talking. For this the priest, for this your own. You see the priest children are not get time to carry enough children come on. Then your own children. Now I'm going to take Bulu for top social media. I'm talking. Just the one. I got to do the picture. If you don't make a better, you know. But I be father. I love kids. If you watch me when I did my wife's house, I'm going to do saga. Because why? For me to do saga, I would play game with my children. My children would do all the long for me. They're going to let my body all the play game. We play PS5 there. If you do that, I'll put on my life. I don't see my fans going to miss me. And you'll put on my life. And they will watch us all of us together and play the game. It's for me to the cost person chicken. For me to do something for what you do. I come to do what the children do. The children they play game. When they play game. You understand? I go in front of the play. I say, oh, daddy, you want to explain? Oh, yeah, play. They'll give me. I go see for the play. Now so they play there. Better. But if I did here, I will reply your useless children. Reply your useless husband. Reply your God-forsaken idiot, nonsensitive family. For this video, we die here. Here we move. More than how can I make a decision to the wash? If I bring young Ghana, you will soon. Yeah.
It was that saying when I came back from La Poste.
La Poste of gang boy. Who can you give La Poste?
Even send me voice now. I don't want to play a voice note. Even send me voice note. Thanking me, thank you for what you said.
Uncle said, yeah, thank you, that is the train. When he got to, he will tell his wife, then his wife will call you and thank you. You were like saying, nothing is normal. So why coming now? It was that same day I can call you in the evening. That said you want to leave the union. But that same evening, that same evening.
You did.
So he put it on air.
Is
it possible for you to be, if you are having issue?
Who's sorry?
The gift I sent to Ike's son is my name that is there.
And that your name will kill you.
Anybody looking for my name?
Now that gift will kill you.
For my number. Please put it on her. I don't give a fucking shit about anybody. I don't owe anybody any explanation. Not that's it. So all the rubbish and nonsense you guys have been saying on social media, your husband, I started saying rubbish for the past 2 weeks. I had to block you guys. The very first day I came.
You don't ever ask your Don Mumu, what did my wife do? Where he carry my wife family, papa, mama, brothers, family, children, to the extent. If he carry madam, no problem. They don't die. The children, where your husband they carry the command. You don't ever ask your husband, what did my wife do? Where they carry my wife to the command. When we never carry your own to the command, the one allow it, my guy. They don't. I'm a water. Off with good.
Like I will. I bet Muna no verse. I want quickly reply this Dom Mumu old card.
Baby mama.
Baby mama. May I quickly may I tell you one thing? You don't know why some of you not they get shit. See you now, man never marry you. Man, we don't go put money for another woman head. He come frustrate the woman, he come meet you for us. You will be say you be old cargo. They come outside, they say my husband. I bet show us how the man better go marry you.
Okay.
Before you come outside. You know you'll get shame for yourself. Your baby father, they swore, they carry people. Come outside. Drag people, children, innocent children. You did there, you not tell and say no. Since you don't ever see my husband do that kind of thing, you don't ever see us do that kind of thing. Okay, now you will come out. Me, I beg, I want to ask you one thing. You don't say, I said message you one time, you don't answer me. Me, I say you may you send shoe for me or for my picking. Not for me. I tell you, me ask you, me go scatter you, well, so make I ask you something where you don't understand. You think say me I be that kind of person. You get more money. Una they learn. May I tell you. For money, you with your baby father una they learn. Mona come, we go feed una for short for 10 years, we go feed una and not go ever hungry. You don't just get shame at all. Not that rich so. You know they look yourself. You want to begin to say, okay, you want to do saga. The one with your baby father they do. I'm not sure say you they advise them for instance. Me they advise my husband. Since you know they advise your husband, now me your husband they call no for outside. Nah, your presence finally you don't bring your body come out so that make they use you to do pepper soup. No worry. Welcome to social media. Welcome to social media. No be person go tell you me you enter us. See this Ozuo, wait, this old Agbo, wait, don't go use himself. They do it, they are finished for Lagos. Come here, come this Zuo.
Lagos on the
you be Isha. What do you go do for Lagos? I be Isha, babe. What do you go do for Lagos? And how you go do for Lagos? I think you never hear the story where they say they go around your baby father. They say against some for Nigeria. You never hear them. You never stay here and say your baby father say he go to sleep with his papa wife for inside bush.
No, for inside moats. Opposite pass.
Inside moat. You never hear am.
The most
You
really
they will
tense.
stagger you so say see the area where you the shade not go let you come out. If you even come and say you go know say the saga enter your body. When they worry this on zoo, no matter Mumu, you know the shape. You don't know carry cream take bleach your life. Bleaching cream where France people they do, where person go they close to you, everywhere go they woes. We not that the wait. We they able to talk now. Don't forget about the age first. If he there for 45 years, now age be that one fine good. Wait, so you think say we don't know the secret of some of una for France? Where do they talk? Okpo Milik. After all your yama life when you live for France, you know if you end up for better man body, now don't go or no man go body, now if you go end up, best way don't get married before. You where you don't get born for 2 months before you can't even born for Don Priest. And you get 3 children plus Don Priest, so how many 4? Okpo Miliki. Can't tell the words. You know, no, may I tell you how social media be. You may say you never know. Back up. Everything will come before. With 3 father. Okay, fine, good. Now, question me, they ask you, madam. God tell us the life where you live for France. Before you go end up with France bleaching cream. When you want to carry small boy put for inside house, what do they do you? I'm not sure. Say welcome to social media. When the person go tell you what it did, your body go tell you. When you go enter your makeups, woto, you go know. You don't know what they call nightmare. God bless you. Young boy, Baba. Thanks so much. I appreciate you.
One photo. Again, I collect. Yeah, you are welcome. I never sing my song for you. Madam, wait, me I first sing my song for you. It's very important. I need to dedicate my music to you. Because there are music we use to dedicate our newcomer. As your first time of coming to Mumu Talk Show, we have to welcome you to our platform. Because from today now, you don't become one of our members. You don't join one of the category of saga people. Go with the saga with this platform. You know why? There are some people that come here, we'll wish them happy birthday. We'll celebrate their birthday. We'll give them goodies. Kudos because of why they come here for celebration. But for you, your first time of coming to a Mumu platform is for saga. So for Ogun to kill your children for your eye. We'll use our good buy your children for your eyes. Since you come here for us to disgwangwan you. So before any other thing, let us welcome you with our song. Don't play. Feed this song as we play and share this video. Make it here say. Make you know the platform where this now when we talk show platform and hey, are you boy, you're my sister. You are welcome to my platform. For this platform, this one our song, our national high tech. So we try to welcome anybody who misbehave. Come this our platform. This song will still use and praise you if you do well. If you want to celebrate your birthday, will they use this song to praise people? Will they use this song to celebrate people? Will they use this song to wish for happy birthday? But for you, Upesio, Alebio, Ashi wele, Ashi poto. Ashi wo. Sister way come from Lagos. Okpo Miliki of Alaba. Okpo Miliki. Alaba International. Alaba International Pekusi. Báwo ni ọmọ Yorùbá. Báwo ni o ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Olóṣó. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Olóṣó ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ọmọ tó nọ́gbọ́n ni o. Wetin dey yan? Ọmọ tó nọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Ọmọ tó ní pedigree ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. Mo dẹ̀ kí ọ ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ ọmọ mi o. Ọmọ mi ni ọ ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. Ọkọ ẹ Don Prince ọmọ tó ná gbọ́n ni. Don Prince ọmọ tó ná gbọ́n. Owó ayé Don Prince o. Owó ọ̀dẹ̀ ná gbọ́n ko. Ọ̀dà fún wẹ́rẹ́ wọn. Wẹ́rẹ́ wọn. Ya tẹ̀lé nǹkan yóò bá yá tàbí tó ní kí náà hàn ló máa hàn rí yóò bá òun rẹ̀ tó òun rẹ̀ orí àbá mi ó ọ̀dà fún wẹ́rẹ́ mẹ́wẹ́ ọ̀dà fún wẹ́rẹ́ mẹ́wẹ́ òtò gbogbo ẹ̀wẹ́rẹ́ mẹ́wẹ́ tó wẹ̀ ó wà mẹ́wẹ́ gbẹ́nuwẹ́ ìyá gbẹ́nuwẹ́ nì ìyá ìlúṣẹ̀ lipstick ìyá rọ́bùrù rẹ̀ lọ́nà nítorí àgbà fi yọ you will know that mama with the spice coming for you don't play mọ́tà. You never see anything, don't please. You will collect. Your wife will hear war for this saga. Your wife will collect what you. EJ, Osaloba bless you well. You have more ladian. You will boy. You have more. You have your body. You have be. You have all love. You go soon with the ruwa. Yaga, if we have all your love, all your soul. Where they never over. When I yo will one, they go without no makeup, no filter. You just see my wife, no eyeglass, no makeup, no filter, no eyeglass. You see her? No makeup, no filter, no eyeglass. Yeah. Udere. You dey feel am? You dey see my wife? No makeup, no eyeglass, no filter. No dere without no eyeglass. You dey see my sexy angel? Udere, this one my wife. How sexy she look. When I compare iye de kuche no boyba. Oh, when I fuck him, this is an old cargo. This ex-prostitute in Lagos, Alaba Rosby, Alaba hookup woman. We don't do Olushu, iya yabo, fún mi lóbo, mo fẹ́ dóbò, iya yabo, mo fẹ́ dóbò, obo mi o ti muna wa o, ẹ fún mi lómi, iya yabo, ẹ fún mi lómi, obo mi o gbóná fẹ́rifẹ́ri o, obo mi o gbóná o, iya yabo, fún mi lómi, obo mi o gbóná, o iya yabo. Báwo ni o? Ẹ rọra o, díẹ̀díẹ̀, ìyá yàbọ̀, díẹ̀díẹ̀ o, òbò mi gbóná, ó gbóná òbò mi ó gbóná o, ó gbóná fẹ́rifẹ́ri o, ẹ fún mi lómi, ìyá yàbọ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún mi lómi, ẹ fún mi lómi, ara gbélé kí ayọ̀ wọ̀nyí, ọ̀kadà so. Wonderful. Ẹ fún mi lómi, òbò mi ó ti gbóná o, ó dà gbóná o, ẹ fún mi lómi, ó gbóná fẹ́rifẹ́ri, ìyá ìyàbọ̀, àgbélé kẹ́yà òkàwé, ìmọ̀ ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ ọkàn ẹ̀kẹ́ àdéhùn rẹ̀, ẹ̀yìn àgọ́ cheese ball, oh God. You never see anything. You go explain, tell you no evidence. Oh yeah, let's start listening to your wife. Baba Yabo, oh yeah, go to hear your wife. No, let us hear from your wife.
To be saying rubbish, saying nonsense with his mouth. After 3 days, I block you guys. Become the kind of person I am. I don't take nonsense. If I keep watching you guys, I might even call you and start insulting you guys. Yes, I don't have the main number. I don't have that number. But if I want, let's assume I want to send you guys message. I know where to get the number from. So let's say sort of rubbish thing. I and Dominion. I don't know you. I've not seen you in person. Just because of the relationship you guys had before, because of the union, you guys are committed to put it that way. We're committed to you have talked to me not twice.
Shameless family. Shameless family.
I'm so surprised now that you came out and started saying rubbish.
Every time, lie. They cannot use truth to do saga.
If it's my husband, let me clear. Hold on, let me go and cook.
Yeah.
If it's my husband that really send you the gift for you to saga Monica, it shall be well with you, IK and Dominion. If it's not my husband that send you that gift, whatever you are looking for on this earth, you will walk in vain.
Don't finish.
That is it.
You're not speaking gay.
Because I hate lies.
You're not
If
speaking
you
gay.
want to saga my husband, you choose to saga him. You choose to saga him. I hate nonsense.
You're not speaking gay.
You don't have to be beaten around the bush.
You're the lie.
Tell me your followers lies. Or your
Just to gain favor for Monica.
For me, it doesn't make any sense to me.
Lie every time.
It makes you guys an irresponsible people. I was thinking you and your husband, you guys are responsible. Show me your friend, I will tell you who you are. I never knew this is the kind of man and woman you guys is. I'm really, really disappointed.
Useless family.
I never pray in my life to meet people like you or to even have conversation with people like you in my life. I'm really, really disappointed. And once again, if you guys keep coming out, mentioning my name, or saying rubbish about me, I promise you guys I will come out for you guys. Yes. I would see you people are doing saga.
Let me tell you
I'm
something.
coming to saga you people I'm going to give people a responsible saga.
Listen. You know what will come out now? You come out and say, oh, now me carry why I come out. You go the happy.
No.
You come and say, you see, my son that I carry why I come out now. Now when did they give my glory? Your bless say, listen, your bless say you carry governor come out now. You call the saga governor. Governor come to talk to you. Now what they actually their people do. As my wife just to talk now. You will see the way we are happy today. See that he carry my wife come out.
I don't give a shit.
See, do you know why they pay now? You know why they pay my wife? My wife carry you owe her money. Go back this or Amazon. Carry money to send that come give you now. I know the way they pay person.
Do you know the day
I know the way they pay person. This is both family the one that they see so. This is both family. No. But that way, Monica, mama, the money when my wife just send something for now. Monica, no go use that to send something go give person. You hear me so? Since I follow Monica never send me something one day. Say, that present you back, can't give them. Please never try. But my wife, don't back present, can't give you now. No, saying I say, you want to talk, they say, now me give you something, me go fake Monica. Hey, you not best, you not this saga.
How does that make any
I'm not going again. With one saga. With all your lie. What do you make me go reply now? Where I see a Mumu not fit saga me. That one they call the eyes under your platform. Let them play with your Mumu talk. Wait, listen to Mumu. I'm not listening. Who seen him with a plan saga? He said he's looking for your bonus picture. Every time they will be using my voice to crack joke in their platform. They will be using my voice to motivate their followers. Using my tongues, using everything I'm doing to motivate their followers. For you people to be...
You see the disadvantage of when you marry a Benin woman. Kudos to my responsible Benin women out there. May God bless you all. You see the advantage if you marry a Benin speaking language. Known to the streets where they speak jargons. If Don Prince now, in wife now, Benin now, he got to use Benin the flow well. Because he wife now, Yoruba and Asian, only hear Benin like that. Benin not look clear. Now when they speak, they use force, the force is they speak English. Don Prince, I see the video you did. I read your body language. I see the bitterness, the anger in you that makes you come out. I was just smiling, I was just laughing when I was watching your video. You know why? I said, wow, those little callers. I was when I called Ike yesterday night. I never even knew Ike was on live video. I just called Ike, just to gist, just to laugh. Yesterday night. Because Ike, they was come for my platform. I never called for a live video once. Yesterday night, I just called Ike. Unfortunately, he was on live. That was around 11 to 12. He was alive. He just said, I didn't live for nothing. You didn't live. He just put on speaker. Because they used the praise the gist, the Yokwe. That's jokes, That's because me and not saga. Because on reality about life, about IK. The secret of IK now we just expose, we just don't crack, we just don't flex, just don't catch through that beautiful evening. Just don't while away time. The thing touch him. He touched your wife. Your wife hit Aki for his ass. Aki had to come out with anger. He and the wife of this day, they were boiling, they were shaking, they were weaving. Oh God, they were angry, bitterly. They came out, they started to go. They talk about shit. Nigga, no playboy. I told you when I'm ready for you, you will know the year when you jump Frank. You know me. This is your father and your mother pictures. Now me bring them come out for media. You know. Don't play. Your sister, Iyori, the widow, waiting for Germany. You remember I still have our pictures. Don't play. I have your some siblings, your family picture. I still get them. Hey, are you boy? Moi, back with this man. I not be happy. I go beat you. I've never beat you before. You understand? You see, saying this was is there. I lock up. I know this with the hungry man, not with the hungry woman. I never go the hungry me. You know me hungry, you don't play. And when they hungry me, I know they see my back again. Now front and they see. I'm going to bring new update, breaking news. Go ask Ewi, he could tell you be frank. Go ask Ewi, he could tell you if you want beat Ewi, and they come out with latest update about Enogi. That's me for you. I go dey so your house, I go dey wallow you, they come out. I go beat you to go reach a desk, your senior brother, I go carry come out for this media. Your brother will deport for Nigeria, for Germany. When they deport for Germany, go to Nigeria, reach Nigeria, go to Chris. I go so Laura come out. I'm tired. Anybody will speak cannot say you go and kill children for your eye. You get why? I give you that course. I know why. Because all of them they watch you when you decreases there. They don't talk home. So they don't say Frank starts. I will pass your ass side or pass back here at come out. That's why they do my things. I know where. Especially when I have your concrete evidence in my hand. I have boy bros. I have boy. Or 20 Yuri. No man, you know who in Germany. You know where they Berlin. No man, more beer. I have a picture. I believe I want to Ogun Bazina, Agbele Yakwani, Agbele Yagba, or too many Yagbesh to Germany. No, I could not, you go Yagolomo. I bet fuck me, post me for side. Fuck me, no use condo. I bet knock me, no use condo. I bet lash me, no use condo. Eh, I got one. Don't play. Me and the hear your wife, you are your wife, the Chris.
Calling me your mentor. For you to say, don't praise, that you be our mentor. Oh, come and call, they say they are not hearing me. He said anybody that you want to pay 50,000.
Even though you are looking for my grandmother's picture, you are going to.
Now I move my name. You know my name.
You don't see anything too.
He said before, when you got my picture, he said I was not the one.
Okay.
That was the
You
name of my
know
name.
you are a man, they want to see your wife on life.
Okay.
But I came on life now, nothing happened.
But when they tell you say that boy na Marty, you believe me. But when I was telling you that this boy did not fit do anything, if this boy try saga, when I go see say everywhere, when I go see who saga pass now, when I go see who go run at us.
Lost down.
When I go see who go run at us.
I lost down.
That this small boy always now women body for the get mad. Women. Now women body, now for the get power.
I don't start now.
The saga one day. You don't drink any. You see the way they talk about that video. You know say don't drink. Drunker. The family of the drunker. See Papa. If Papa cross leg, they drink 3-3. See the way Papa cross leg, they drink 3-3. A family of the drunker.
Now flexing man.
What paid me most? You know what paid me most? You know when they send
Imagine.
to go and bring the parcel
Imagine.
so that I can be able to send it to them.
Imagine.
Who said you make up policy?
You that send that parcel to them, if you that send that gift, the way Potomino and I said, you sure, if I tell you the way that thing is making me annoyed, if I tell you the way I'm angry because of this rubbish they just said now.
They have been saying it to it's not only they have been saying it to
That is the reason why I don't
They have been saying it
I don't want to hear the nonsense they are saying.
They don't know how to do saga. All what they do is just to frame lie. The opportunity that boy has to be talking to me is the opportunity he needs to do saga now. Assuming I don't have Aki number, Aki has not talked to me one day. I don't think he will be doing all this rubbish. Like saying lies every day.
It was the way you present them to me.
Because let me tell you, my people, if you see that small boy, Akiko, he even knows I not be mate. I not be mate for life. That is why in the saga we go to get joy. You go to get joy. Why I no carry on that presenter will be say the man will I carry almost because I say they say almost a bit saga. In the saga women. I say, okay, let me give this boy now because why he has been disturbing the peace of this social media. This boy has been disturbing the peace of social media. I say man give her to. But today is he not running? Now my mother and my wife, my mic on the fan now.
If he's looking for my if you like, you look for my mother, you look for my father.
Listen to them.
Everybody.
Listen to them.
I want for me party.
They were fooling themselves yesterday. See my wife don't come
That guy we don't move.
Yeah.
The Mumu, you know, but money time will not get more than them.
My people, now so this boy take talk. He says I'm not going up. This boy wait to say me call her. I tell her say me we can't use the ticket to show. Now I say because the saga me naba. See the way they lie. This boy that came out to tell the whole world that I was the one who called it, to plan it, that we should use it to fraud people money in social media. This is what he said that provoked me. Say, then another officer, because we they talk as a union, not true. But today I say, he just say, after you do the transaction. I'm going to see the way they lean every day. I'm going to see the way they lean, or you do the chopper. No, wait. Now you are not coming and say, I just saga.